Hello everyone, my name is Arul and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. As we have seen in our earlier videos, functional interfaces can contain just single abstract method. They are used primarily in Lambda expression and method references. Java provides basic functional interfaces inside a package java.util.function. Let's try to explore each one in detail. First, we will start with consumer functional interface. As per the official Java documentation, functional interface represents an operation that accepts a single input argument and returns no result. In nutshell, if we want to do some operation based on the input argument and we don't want any result, we can go for consumer functional interface. And so we have an abstract method accept, which accepts an argument and returns nothing. Now let's create a new class demo consumer. Inside demo consumer, we can have our main method. Now we will try to declare our consumer with input type as string, and we can provide our implementation with either lambda expression or method reference. And I chose lambda expression for better understanding. So our lambda expression accepts an argument yes, which is of type string, and it's just going to print the string which we provided as an input for the consumer. Now we can call our print consumer.accept with argument hello world. So this is going to invoke our consumer and it's just going to print the input argument which we provided as hello world. Next, we will see function. As per Java documentation, function accepts one argument and produces a result. Function's first type parameter accepts an input argument type, and the second parameter type represents the output return type. So if we can provide some input argument and we need a result back, we can go for function. And you can see apply method in the function, which accepts an argument and gives a result back. Now let's try to create a new class demo function. Inside demo function, we can have our main method. We can create our function with input type as string and return type as integer. We can assign our method reference, string double operator length, which is going to return the length of the string. And we can use length function dot apply with hello. So this function is going to execute with input as hello and output as the length of the string. The next functional interface we are going to look into is predicate. As per Java doc, predicate represents a Boolean valued function for one argument. It contains a single abstract method test, which accepts an input argument and returns a Boolean result. So if we need to evaluate an input argument and return a Boolean result, we can use predicate. Now let's see how to use a predicate using a simple example. Let's try to create a new class demo predicate, and we can have our main method here. Let's try to create a predicate which is going to accept a number and going to evaluate whether it's even or not. We can have our predicate interface with integer as an input type. We can write a condition whether number mod 2 is equal to 0. Now we can test this predicate with some integer number. Is 10 even? Then is even dot test of 10, which is going to return true. We can also test with some negative cases with 15 as an integer number, which is going to return false. On running this program, our predicate evaluates whether a number is even or not. Next in the list we have is supplier. Supplier does not accept any input type, but it returns an output. It contains a single abstract method get, which doesn't require any input parameter type, but it gives a result back. Let's see how to use a supplier functional interface with a basic example. Let's create a new class demo supplier with the main method. Inside main method, let's try to create a supplier with return type as double. We can use math double operator random, which is just going to use the static method random, which gives a random number. Now we can call the abstract method get from our supplier, which is just going to return a random number. On running this program, we can see the output with the random number. Java provides few more functional interfaces, which are also good to know. ByPredicate is similar to predicate, but ByPredicate accepts two input argument type and returns a Boolean result. And next is ByFunction, which is also similar to a function, but it accepts two input arguments where function accepts a single input argument and sends a result back. Next is by consumer. By consumer is similar to consumer, but it accepts two input argument type and returns no result back. And next in the list is binary operator. As you see, binary operator extends by function. And if all the input argument type and return type are same, we can use binary operator instead of by function. And unary operator extends function. If both the input type and return type of the function are same, then we can go for unary operator instead of function. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you next time.